With the Meghalaya government intending to fill up around 3,000 posts in the police department, Director General of Police Dr. L.R. Bishnoi said already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing up-to-date technology. A 21 days time is given to finalize the bidder, and by the second week of February, the process of tendering will be finalized. The DGP said, asked how the department is going to be benefited from this, the DGP said the sanction strength of Meghalaya Police is 17,500. Out of that, at present, nearly around 3,200 vacancies are still there. And once this 3,000 newly recruited constable will join the Meghalaya Police, the Meghalaya Police family will become wider and stronger.
Governments. We have already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing the up-to-date technology. We have given them 21 days time. After 21 days time, the bidders will be finalized, and once the tender is allocated to particular company, after that the advertisement will be done, and the applications will be invited, and the recruitment procedure will start. So we will do it for 3,000, and it will be the largest recruitment in the Meghalaya Police so far.